For decades, the mysteries surrounding unidentified flying objects, the tantalizing prospect of extraterrestrial life, and the impenetrable secrets of Area 51 have captivated human imagination. These core enigmas form a persistent undercurrent in our collective consciousness, fueling both fervent belief and profound skepticism. This enduring fascination stems from several compelling factors. Government involvement, often shrouded in secrecy, has historically ignited public speculation and distrust. At a more fundamental level, it reflects humanity's deep-seated desire to answer one of the universe's most profound questions: are we truly alone? Historically, government agencies maintained a stance of skepticism or outright dismissal regarding UFO phenomena. Official narratives often attributed sightings to misidentification, natural occurrences, or even hoaxes. However, recent years have witnessed a notable shift in this long-standing paradigm. A resurgence of public interest, coupled with the slow trickle of declassified documents, has begun to reshape the conversation. Congressional hearings on the topic have propelled these once fringe subjects into mainstream discourse, signaling a new era of potential inquiry. The veil of absolute secrecy seems to be thinning, hinting at revelations yet to come. The official involvement of the United States government in investigating aerial phenomena dates back to the mid-20th century, spurred by a wave of post-World War II sightings. These were not mere curiosities, but concerns for national security and air superiority. Key U.S. initiatives emerged during this period, most notably Project Grudge and its successor, Project Blue Book. These projects were established with clear objectives in mind. Their primary aims included investigating reported sightings, collecting data on the phenomena, and assessing any potential threats they might pose to national airspace or defense. The findings and outcomes of these early projects often aligned with the prevailing narrative of dismissal. A significant majority of sightings were attributed to prosaic explanations, such as natural phenomena like weather balloons or atmospheric conditions. Misidentified conventional aircraft also accounted for a large number of reports, confusing observers. A smaller, yet still considerable, portion of cases were determined to be hoaxes, further contributing to public skepticism. However, a persistent and intriguing percentage of these reports remained unexplained, defying conventional classification even after thorough investigation. These unexplained sightings had a profound impact. They fueled intense speculation about advanced technologies far beyond human capability. More significantly, they suggested the very real possibility of extraterrestrial origins, sparking theories that have endured for generations. The seeds of modern UFO lore were sown in these unexplainable incidents. The concept of extraterrestrial life is intrinsically linked to the UFO phenomenon, acting as a powerful magnet for human curiosity. It is a topic that captivates not only the general public, but also some of the brightest scientific minds and philosophers. The very thought of intelligent beings beyond our world challenges our understanding of existence. This broad captivation has led to sustained and significant efforts to locate evidence of life beyond Earth. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, has for decades scanned the cosmos for radio signals that might indicate intelligent civilizations. Simultaneously, the accelerating discovery of exoplanets has dramatically increased the statistical probability of habitable worlds, fueling optimism. Despite the lack of definitive contact, a persistent belief in alien visitation remains prevalent across cultures. This belief is often directly connected to reported UFO sightings, with many assuming that unexplained aerial objects are piloted by non-human intelligences. This enduring conviction reflects humanity's fundamental fascination with the unknown and the boundless cosmos. It also highlights a deep-seated desire for contact, a yearning to expand our understanding of our place in the universe. The idea of other civilizations, whether benevolent or otherwise, has shaped countless stories, theories, and personal convictions. This allure persists, irrespective of official scientific confirmation. The question of whether we are alone is not merely scientific, but profoundly philosophical and spiritual. This cosmic curiosity continues to drive both scientific endeavor and imaginative speculation. It is a question that, for many, remains tied to the mysterious objects observed in our skies. Deep within the remote, arid landscape of Nevada lies a highly classified United States Air Force facility known as Area 51. For decades, its very name has been synonymous with UFO conspiracy theories and deep government secrets. It is a place that has transcended its physical boundaries to become a symbol of hidden truths. The intense speculation surrounding Area 51 is rooted in several critical factors. Foremost among these is the extreme secrecy that has historically enveloped the facility. Its remote and isolated location further amplified its mysterious aura, making it an ideal canvas for conjecture. Official acknowledgement of its existence came only recently, after decades of denial. While the government primarily used Area 51 for the development and testing of advanced reconnaissance aircraft, such as the U-2 spy plane, public imagination painted a far more exotic picture. The core speculation topics center on extraordinary claims. These include the alleged recovery of alien technology, potentially from crash sites like Roswell, New Mexico. Many believe Area 51 is where the government studies alien spacecraft and even performs autopsies on extraterrestrial beings. This leads to the ultimate conspiracy, a massive government cover-up of extraterrestrial contact and reverse engineering of alien technology. These theories have become ingrained in popular culture. Despite the government's eventual acknowledgement of Area 51's existence, its true purpose remains largely shrouded in mystery. This continued opacity only intensifies public fascination, ensuring its place as a central pillar in the UFO narrative. The questions persist. What exactly happens behind those guarded fences? In recent years, the landscape surrounding government engagement with unexplained aerial phenomena has undergone a significant transformation. A landmark moment arrived with the release of the 2021 report on Unidentified Aerial Phenomena, or UAPs, the updated term for what were once known as UFOs. This report marked a turning point. It served as an official acknowledgement of unexplained aerial phenomena by the highest levels of government. While the report detailed various UAP sightings, it conspicuously lacked definitive conclusions regarding their origin. This ambiguity, far from resolving the mystery, deepened it. The impact of these recent disclosures has been profound. They have spurred further scientific and governmental investigation, lending an unprecedented legitimacy to the topic. Moreover, these actions have fostered a more open dialogue, moving the conversation away from hushed whispers and into public forums. We are witnessing a slow but discernible shift towards greater transparency. The increasing availability of declassified documents offers tantalizing glimpses into past inquiries. Growing interest from lawmakers, evidenced by congressional hearings and new oversight committees, signals a serious and sustained commitment to understanding these phenomena. This evolving approach holds the potential for a deeper, more comprehensive understanding of what lies in our skies. The quest for answers, however, remains far from over. It is driven by an inherent human desire to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of our knowledge. Ultimately, the enduring fascination with UFOs, extraterrestrial life, and classified government projects reflects a fundamental human imperative. It is the persistent drive to unravel the secrets of the universe and, perhaps, to finally know if we are truly alone within its vast expanse. The search continues.